my family and home.
I am Alia, and this is my home. This is my family. Let me introduce you to my family members and show you my house as well. This is our kitchen. The delicious food we have is prepared for us here. These are my parents. This is my mother. This is my father. I love them a lot and always listen to them. These are my father's parents. I call them Dada John and Dadi John. Grandfather, grandmother. I enjoy playing with them in the garden. They walk while I play in the garden. Look, this is my bedroom. Do you like my room? These are my younger brother and sister. Brother, sister. I care for them a lot. After all, they are younger than me. Come on, friends, solve this riddle. What relation do I have with my father's son's mother? The riddle confused you, didn't it? My father's son's mother is my mother as well. Today, my Chacha John and Chachi John have come to visit us. Uncle, Aunt. I am taking them to the drawing room. I love our home's drawing room. Today, all of us will have evening tea together. So friends, now you have met my family and have seen my house as well. This is my family tree. Now make your family tree and share it with your friends.